Okay, good afternoon mga kabuchi. Welcome to our garden. We are on our week number 35. Wala, di na po ko sure mga kabuchi. Gore na jud gore. So, let's say week 35 of year 2024. Garden update mga kabuchi. So, last week mga kabuchi, I am imagining that I'm gonna be using ropes and then put it up. But then, now I realize mga kabuchi, I'm already old, so it will be very difficult for me to net my garden using the rope. So I decided to just have a ready-made nylon trellis mga kabuchi. So maybe by next week mga kabuchi, it will arrive and then we will try putting it up mga kabuchi. And maybe after that mga kabuchi, we will be removing this trellis na mga kabuchi, the old one. Then we will just have net and rope mga kabuchi, and we will not be using any post anymore mga kabuchi. We will attach them to the plants that were outside our garden. So that's the plan mga kabuchi. And look at my kangkong mga kabuchi. So I think mga kabuchi, the best plant for my garden mga kabuchi is ginger mga kabuchi. So I'm gonna be planting ginger here mga kabuchi. So for the next year mga kabuchi, for the year 2025 mga kabuchi, it's gonna be the year of ginger. And then mga kabuchi, here comes the ampalaya mga kabuchi. Oh, the wild ampalaya here mga kabuchi. Pero dili ni wild mga kabuchi. So this is the bunga of my ampalaya. Next week, this is already ready for harvest. I think this one also, mga kabuchi, is already ready for harvest. This is already in its mature form, mga kabuchi. So I have two bungas here. I can't see any female flowers, mga kabuchi. Where are the female flowers? And they are already climbing towards our kitchen, mga kabuchi. So mauna na gid siya mga kabuchi. And then mga kabuchi, oh, this is the ampalaya flower mga kabuchi. Oh. Cute. Then before going to under our trellis mga kabuchi, look at this our talong mga kabuchi. Oh. This is already mature mga kabuchi and ready for harvest, but look at that mga kabuchi, it's still very small. And here mga kabuchi is already harvested. And then this one mga kabuchi, it has new leaves, but we can still see any fruits here mga kabuchi, though we have flowers here. And then I guess we still have to wait mga kabuchi. And I think we are already seeing the sun mga kabuchi after I trim the kamyas. But look at the kamyas mga kabuchi. It already have so many fruits. And here comes the bee visiting the asan mo to? Nawagtang mga kabuchi. The kamyas. So the kamyas have so many flowers na mga kabuchi. Naraday siya sa lower portion ang bee mga kabuchi. Oh. So this is the entrance of my garden trellis. So after renovating my trellis mga kabuchi, I really wanted them up mga kabuchi kay mo look at my hands. So the height of this trellis is just above my head, but now it's lower than my head mga kabuchi because the post mga kabuchi were broken, and so that's why mga kabuchi it's getting lower. So I wanted it up mga kabuchi. Hopefully we can do it. So this one mga kabuchi, very small, but this is already ready for harvest mga kabuchi. Then we have here, so this is a different type of ampalaya mga kabuchi. Dili ni siya katong F. Sa to nga F. Ay, what kind of F nga kusog mga. This is long ampalaya magud mga kabutsi. But my cousin told me that it's better for me to plant the not the long ampalaya but the rounded ampalaya mga kabutsi because I think it was called F16 variety. But according to him mga kabutsi, it will provide more fruits mga kabutsi compared to this saan siya mga kabutsi compared to this long ampalaya mga kabutsi. Supposed to be it's very long mga kabutsi o dapat two dangaws or one roller supposed to be mga kabutsi, but I think I still have problems with my soil here mga kabutsi. Well, probably we will be able to, soil will be able to recover mga kabutsi and also the fruit of the ampalaya mga kabutsi. So that's the next plan mga kabutsi. And look at our carrots mga kabutsi. Mao na lang ay carrots na habilin mga kabutsi. So ingon ani na dominate ang carrots sa mga ingon ani. So wala na tay mahims mga kabutsi. I don't have carrot seeds already. I think I don't have already mga kabutsi. We don't have those seeds na mga kabutsi. So let's remove the grass mga kabutsi. And then, so by October mga kabutsi, we will start harvesting the ginger, and then part of the ginger that were harvested will be planted on this area mga kabutsi and on this area also. So this garden will turn into ampalaya and ginger garden. So ginger at the bottom and then ampalaya on top of our ginger. So that's going to be the design of our garden moving forward to year 2025. Look at this mga kabutsi. So hopefully this will go longer mga kabutsi because this is supposed to be a very long ampalaya. Not this long mga kabutsi. Longer than this one, twice the length of this one. That is supposed to be the kind of ampalaya that I planted. But what happened is it was only able to grow half of its desired size. And then so the ampalayas are all here. And then the gabi here. I think I'm going to remove this gabi because it will shadow my lemon here. So here comes the lemon mga kabutsi. I worried. I am somewhat worried about this lemon mga kabutsi because it's not having new leaves anymore and it's not growing like this one. Maybe I'm wrong. Maybe I'm wrong mga kabutsi. Maybe the lemon is actually fine mga kabutsi. Maybe lemon is some type of plants. There are type of plants mga kabutsi like avocado that they will grow sprouts or branch with few leaves and then it will wait for all the leaves to mature before it will again sprout new leaves. Just like the mango tree mga kabutsi. Maybe lemon is also that type of plant. Because the lime also mga kabutsi, look at them. Oh. I think it waits for the new leaves to mature first before it will develop again another set of leaves. Maybe that is the case and hopefully that is the case mga kabutsi and that they are finally happy here mga kabutsi. Happy. Happy to be here, mga kabuchi. So, I never thought that I will end up with this decision, mga kabuchi. My decision is that we will just be planting ginger and ampalaya for the next year. We will stick to that, mga kabuchi, because I think I have no other choice. We already experimented planting variety of edible plants, mga kabuchi, but they are not doing well here in our garden. And I also understand that my options are limited due to the location of my garden, mga kabuchi. I am surrounded with potential saan na siya? Potential structures ba? Structures and trees that can give shade to our garden. So now I am looking forward for my new trellis net to arrive, and then I'll put it up, and then after that we will see the result, mga kabuchi. But of course, mga kabuchi, before I'm going to change my trellis, I have to wait for this ampalaya to mature and grow old, mga kabuchi. So after they will mature and grow old, or maybe I can try, because mga kabuchi, the problem is I am not going to remove this trellis and then I'll put up my trellis. I may have problems harvesting, mga kabuchi. As if we can, as if we can harvest so many fruits, mga kabuchi. But that's gonna be the problem, mga kabuchi, if I put my new trellis up of this existing trellis. So I may have problem harvesting. Harvesting. But I think it's a good try, mga kabuchi. No, I don't mind if I have problem harvesting. Maybe I can find a way if the problem is already there, mga kabuchi, di ba? Let the problem exist first before you try to solve them. I think so. Ano siguro, mga kabuchi? And then let's wait and see, mga kabuchi. So we're already at, it's already 1:28 in the afternoon, mga kabuchi, but the sun is not that bright, mga kabuchi. I also wanted to tour these chickens, mga kabuchi. Daghan naman ni chickens ang nephew, mga kabuchi. Let's try to have a closer look at the chickens, mga kabuchi. Okay. Let's see, mga kabuchi. So this is the end of our garden story, mga kabuchi. Let's try to switch to the chickens, mga kabuchi, in a while. Switching gears, mga kabuchi, we are already at the side of our garden to check on the roosters, mga kabuchi. So this is the second rooster, and then we have few chicks, sicklish, and we have here the baboy, mga kabuchi. Okay, wala na dito. So these are the chickens, mga kabuchi. Dagko na siya. These are fighting cocks, mga kabuchi, of my nephew. So side tour lang ta. I like this one, mga kabuchi. I like this color. Color is white, golden white. Golden white, mga kabuchi. I like that one, mga kabuchi. Pwede madool. Okay. Pwede sila siya ana-ana, mga kabuchi. Okay, diba? Nice. And this one, mga kabuchi, looks like lemon. Oh, diba? Gwapa. Daradri ang kanibay man ni siya, mga kabuchi. Kani? Common color of a fighting cock. Red. Then, mas lindo to siya pagka red, mga kabuchi, kay very bright color. And then, the hinser, mga kabuchi. So, my nephew, mga kabuchi, prefer that color, that gray, white, gray, something. But I like the lemon one. And then based on my experience, mga kabuchi, that black chicken, we are the mother of these red chicken, mga kabuchi. The chicks will become red roosters. Oh. I like this color, mga kabuchi, oh, lemon. But we have another one here. So, kana siya, mga kabuchi. I also like that color. Kuan man, against the light man, chicken. So, another side. Oh. And then, the ever favorite white. And also this rooster, mga kabuchi. I like this rooster, mga kabuchi. It's very good color. And then, another rooster. And I think there are roosters outside this fence, mga kabuchi. There's a lot of roosters outside our fence, mga kabuchi. So, that's it, mga kabuchi. And from here, you can see my garden. So, this is the view of my garden, mga kabuchi. Very small garden. But mga kabuchi, very small garden, mga kabuchi. But it's very hard for me to maintain that garden, mga kabuchi. Paggamay-gamay lang na, mga kabuchi. Pero, pagkalisod, pagka-challenging. And until now, gani, mga kabuchi, I was not able to fill in the raised bed with soil, mga kabuchi. Supposed to be the raised bed is full of soil, but they are only around half full, mga kabuchi. It's a very difficult job, mga kabuchi. Magpadakop mo na ako. Di ay, hilak man. Okay. So, this should be the end of our video, mga kabuchi. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.